So I saw your question where you want to convert 203, you want to convert from decimal to binary. So one way to do this is just to repeatedly divide by 2, and you want to identify the remainder. So if you take 203 and you divide that by 2, that's 101 with a remainder of 1. The remainder will always be 1 or 0 since we're converting to binary, or we're dividing by 2. Take 101 divided by 2, that's 50 plus remainder 1. 50 divided by 2 is 25 with a remainder 0. You can see you just drop that 25 here. Divided by 2 is 12, remainder 1. And take the 12 divided by 2 is a 6, remainder 0. Take the 6 divided by 2, remainder is 3 with the remainder 0. Take the 3 divided by 2, that's a 1 with the remainder 1. And take the 1 down here divided by 2, it'll go in there 0 times. When this is 0, that's where you stop, and the remainder is 1. And if you look up this column here, that's your binary number. And so 203 base 10 is 11001011. That'd be base 2. Should have put a 2 there. Hope this helps.